Hi, Des! This is a Frederick High School. Yan, ganyan, yan. Oh. This is Frederick High School. Ayan, yan. We love you, Des! Frederick.
No 6-7 reference. Thank you.
This is the Frederick High School performing right now. Ayan, the daughter is there. Ayan siya. Ano siya ng alto. Siya play alto saxophone. Yun yung ano nila, yung si Mr. Pierce. Yung lalaki na yun. Photographer siguro siya talaga. Oh. Yeah. Yep. I like their uniform. It's kinda like gold.
Pero wala silang violet na.
Wala, iba naman to. Iba naman ito ngayon. Oo. Yeah. Oh my. After months of practice, every day sa school, ayan, ito na. Mag-perform na sila. Yeah. Yan, the Mr. Spear. Oh, yan yung ano niya.
Presenting their 2025 program next, please welcome Drum Major Owen Answer and the Frederick High School Marching Band.
Good luck. Ito yung picture.
The people of the village were cruel. They silenced our voices and burned our books. We were driven away, but power cannot be buried. Tonight, the Cullen reforms.
This is a Frederick High School performance. Oh, magaling. Oh my God.
Silip doon, silip.
Oo. Mag-move naman yan, ma. Yan o, yan si Desi. Oh, go, Desi. Oh my God. That's my daughter right here. Ganda namang uniform din naman, no? Gold and black and gray. Oh my God, Mami! Umiyak ka ba, Mami? Super proud. Let's see, good job, guys. Yes, dalawang ano lang sila, ma. Dalawang ano lang sila, oo. Yeah.